What is up, MFers? Welcome back to another exciting episode on the Southbound Tour. This is day number 5, and I have made it to Kansas with Mr. Kansas Angling Experience himself. You guys probably remember a little bit ago I fished with my man over here, and we absolutely slayed giant wipers. One of the most memorable, fun experiences of the entire year so far for me. Oh yeah, yep. God, that is so much fun. Little tiny hooks, little tiny jig and rapala, little tiny twitches produces this. That's insane, man. Well, today we're targeting a totally different species. We're actually going to do a bunch of pond hopping, stuff like that. But first off, this morning, we're going to go out and try to vertical jig some crappie, actually. You know, I've grown up fishing for crappie. I've done the whole blind casting method around the spawn and stuff like that. But today, we're getting the electronics involved a little bit of skill involved. We got our double jigs rigged up on the spinning tackle, and we're going to get after them. I'm pretty damn stoked. What do you think, my man?
I think it's going to be good. It's blown like 30 miles an hour out there, but I've been on a really good bite these past 2 weeks. So as long as we can get out of the wind, I think we'll catch some and have a good dinner tonight.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Go catch them at the lake, bring them back here. I'll show you how we clean them up and cook them. Can't freaking wait for this one. It's going to be delicious if we can get some to go. Like you said, though, the wind's blowing like 35 miles an hour today, so hopefully you can hear anything I say in my video. Let's go. Folks, here's my my crappie rig. I got this June buggy guy, sorta, and then this guy with white and yellow, and we're in 30 feet of water on a channel break over the top of some brush. Drop it down. He said there's 9-pound crappie in here. 9 pound. I made that up. He didn't say that, but there's good ones in here, and hopefully we're gonna catch some big ones. Yep, doubled up. Look what I got. Dude, get that circle hook. Oh, yes. That one looks more like dinner. This one looks more like bait. Good start, though. All right, we're on them. Drop pulse. Nice. Dunk. Oh, what is this? Doubled up. Getting them fired. School's fired. Dude, those are just like money bass eating size.
Well, that's what I was talking about. Like, that's the spawn class.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. That's how it always works, right? That one knocks some slack in it. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. He's done eating well. All right, I'm on the board. Yep. Drop pulse. Dude, that looks delicious. Drop pulls. We're on them. So basically what we're doing, we're over the top of a brush pile right now. So we got our 2 jigs on. You can watch them go down on the screen, hopefully, maybe. Yep, there they are. You can see my 2 little marks right there, and then that's a brush pile, right? So you want to hold it right above it, hold it nice and still, and then they go pow-pow!
The allure of those, like, 13.
There, that's a good one. Yep. Looks like dinner. Crappie. It's what's for dinner.
What color was that one?
Don't worry about it. There's, folks, another beautiful Kansas crappie. Color on these things is great. Look at those fillets. Good back straps. That's right.
Oh, dude. Dialed.
Clobbered it. Yep, on the blue. Choked it. Look at that. My jig's in there somewhere. That's a fun freaking bite. Those things dunk every single time. That's right. Drop pulls. Good. Oh, okay. He grew up. Son. That is sweet. They do got some shoulders, man. That's crazy. Almost like a road bed. Oh, yeah. That's good.
That's a big one, dude. Oh, yeah.
Yep. Drop poles. They like that purple and blue and
Plum
yellow.
crazy.
Plum crazy.
Top secret.
Boom.
Hey, what?
Uh-oh.
Dude.
No.
Man.
Is it still on there?
No. Yeah.
Yep.
God damn it, Bobby.
Got him. Maybe.
No, he's just a little guy, too. That was so worth it.
Oh, yeah.
No, he was just
Keeper.
tired. That's
Yeah. He's like, Jesus, reel me in. He was catching them on a feet, I guess. Oh, yep, that's the one.
Yeah,
That's keeper. Yep. You bet. Another crappie. Ooh, that one thumped it. Saw that. Oh, yeah. Slaunchtosaraus crappie. Hell yeah. Good one. I like it. Yeah, we just made a move over a little bit out of the wind. You guys can't tell from right here. It looks slick calm because of this giant hill, but the wind's ripping like 30 miles an hour right now. But just switched over to a new little brush tree pile we found on the downscan. And yeah, rewarded with a beautiful little morsel for dinner. Dickhead. That's a good one. Yeah. Oh, yummy. All right. Where do you keep those color?
Oh, we're going to put it on.
Uh-huh.
Weather update. It's still raining cold.
Yep. Beauty weather I got here. Well, folks, going to take off the purple sperm and put on the white sperm. They seem to like the white sperm here sometimes, so going to the white sperm. Nope. Not the one. Look at that, folks. Little guy likes the white sperm. Woo. Oh, that's a better one. Who is this guy?
It's a big one. Big head shape.
Oh, that's the biggest one of the day, maybe. Look at that one. On the orange. Man, that is
Thick,
a sexy.
Fish, dude.
That works.
Starving.
No, that works right there. I need to figure out my life. Nope. Nope. What is this? This is the small fish color. Mm-hmm. Good. It's big if it's a crappie, dude.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Come here, buddy. Yes. That's a freaking tank crappie. Hell yeah. Just moved to this new little spot. Big old fatty. In there with your friends. All right. Yes. Can't tell. Freaking got that. God dang. Got the right color probably, maybe. Uh-huh. Looking good. All right, here we go. Number one, our first candidate of the old fillet knife. Have you done that before?
Never. Not once. This is my first time.
We are back at the house. Time to get these crappie, these beautiful crappie fillets. Check these out. We got a whole bag full, so many crappies. So basically what we're gonna do, what we got, just milk, and then right into the batter.
Favorite.
Milk, shore lunch, boom.
Been using it since I was a kid.
The good stuff. onto the plate, and then we'll take them out, throw them in the fryer. That is it. Having some French fries tonight. Some, what we got? Potato salad? Was it macaroni salad?
Some sort of.
Some type of salad. It's gonna be freaking delicious. And also, of course, the drink of choice tonight is whiskey. Buffalo Trace whiskey. I know. I drink natty, and I drink really nice, delicious whiskey. I strongly encourage this one. Go check it out. Alright, everything is nice and cooked up. We got the crappie cooked, fries cooked. We're ready for an unveiling. I mean, it's like a restaurant. Perfection. Love it. Oh, so good, man. Yep, game over. Alright, MFers, I don't think I need to tell you how freaking delicious that crappie tasted. A really fun morning on the water. Of course, went through the process of filleting, battering, and frying those crappie. And there's just nothing like fresh fish. You know, I was out with Brian, my boy Brian from Kansas Angling Experience. Just like last time, I'll link everything down below, his contact information. Last time we went out, stuck a bunch of giant wipers, and today we completely did a 180 and caught crappie. He also gets for walleye, bass, he freaking does it all. So definitely go check out his stuff. But I'm actually down here for a couple more days, a couple more videos with him. So we're gonna bring you a whole bunch of other stuff, bass fishing, potentially wiper fishing once again. Freaking absolutely stoked. Whiskey and crappie, can't freaking beat it. So I will catch you guys very soon. Also, wanted you to let me know, go drop a thumbs up right now if you like the crappie fishing. You know, secretly I think I put down my pretentious bass fishing panties for the day and really enjoyed the crappie fishing. So if you guys like the crappie fishing videos, go hit the thumbs up and comment below. Say, yo, I like the crappie fishing videos because I'm making this videos for you. The content is for you, so I need to know what you guys like, what you appreciate. But yeah, super fun time today. Really enjoyed it, and I can't freaking tell you how delicious that crappie was. For now, though, I am out of here. I'll catch you guys very soon. Peace.
I'm not sorry. I can't help this love like mine. I'm not sorry. I can't stop with a love like mine.